Guys, we are back again at the track with Mikey, but with a different car that has the channel seen. The channel has seen it when we did some minor upgrades, but you guys have not seen it at the track. This car previously already ran at Euro Drag Wars in January, but did it run
9.7 at 139 on the daily E50 map. So figured the daily needed some love, so we turned it up a lot, trying to see what we could run on DI.
Just a little bit more. So the car is literally, as you guys could see, in stock form. There's literally no weight reduction at all. Unlock the car, Mikey. There's literally no weight reduction to the car. This has the comfort seats, doesn't have the buckets, OEM brakes, has OEM exhaust, literally the OEM exhaust. It still even has the floor mats in the trunk. We're probably not even gonna take them out. Maybe because Mikey's pretty anal. He doesn't like them moving around. So maybe you're gonna take the floor mats out. But literally, even has the plastic protector 100 on the dash too. So this car is full weight. It only has downpipes, the JDY catless downpipes, and inventory intakes. That is it. Stock fueling. There's no port injection on this. It doesn't even have a low pressure pump. This is literally right off the showroom floor with just downpipes and intakes. That is it.
No methanol, no fuel additives.
Yes, nothing. So we're gonna try to see how fast we can push this car before some rods eject those CETO, cuz.
Not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen.
No rods are gonna come out?
No rods.
All right, Mikey's pretty confident. I say 2 holes in the block. No, I'm kidding.
Hey, you know what? 34 pounds of boost on DI only.
Ain't too shabby.
Still not gonna happen.
Damn, we're pretty confident. At least he's pretty confident. Mikey, what do you think is gonna run? What are the goals for today for us out here at the track? We came all the way to Maryland.
What are the goals?
Yeah, like you with that smirk. Wipe that smirk off your face, son. What do you think it's actually going to run, Mikey? Or what are your goals?
954 is the goal, but I want a 949.
9.4's bone stock. Let's see if we can do it full weight. As you guys can see, only thing is it has the lightweight wheels that are M wheels.
They're base
They're
model
OEM.
factory.
Yeah, they're OEM lightweight wheels with just Mickey Thompsons. That is it. That's the only thing we have going on. Still stock suspension, stock springs, stock everything. So let's see what we can do. They think that we're hiding and we're cheating. We don't cheat. Look, there's nothing. Bone stock. Just as you buy the car is how we are racing the car, guys. No cheating here. No nitrous. There's nothing hidden. We are gonna do a 9.5 today, guaranteed. I'm in a t-shirt, and if you guys know, I'm from Florida, so I get really cold. Mikey's always in a hoodie, so that doesn't even count.
Hoodie and shorts.
Yes. If I'm in a t-shirt, you know weather's good. It's not hot. It's not cold. It's just right. It's probably like 69, 68 degrees, 70 degrees maybe. I don't know. But weather's great.
You know what? May as well get the fuel level on too.
Oh, yeah. Let's show the fuel level.
I don't even know where it's at.
It has a quarter tank of gas. Yeah. It has like 57 miles to empty. A third of a tank. So 59 miles to empty.
59 miles to empty because this car gets like 3 miles a gallon.
The way this guy drives.
Yep.
So let's see what we can do, guys. So I just did the first pass. I don't know what it ran. I have somebody else's phone in here and I was using it for logging. So don't know. If I had to guess, I wonder if they'd give me the slip up here or if it's somewhere else. Actually, let me see what the car weighs. I wonder if they have the scales on. Let's see. She weighs 4,070 with me in it and 67 miles empty. 4,070, 75, that's where it's flickering between them two. Well, apparently they told me that the slip is at the tower, not at the tent like they usually do during events. So Mikey's the one that knows the time. If I have to take a wild guess, I'm gonna say 9. First pass, I'm gonna say 9:59. That's gonna be my guess, 9:59. So let's see. We'll find out now. You guys are gonna find out with me. Wait, I can't hear you. What'd you say?
It took you forever to come back.
Yeah.
So I already started the walk of shame because I was just like, I put too much confidence in not putting holes in it.
What did it do?
What did it do on the draggy?
I don't know.
You didn't look?
No.
Oh, we went faster than the full weight port injection car.
No!
Yeah, first hit. Let's go home.
No freaking way. What the hell? 954?
Yeah. 9:55 was the goal.
I haven't even looked at the jackie, I swear to God. I grabbed the video just so I could start recording everything. Guess how much it weighs with me in it?
4080.
Close. 4070.
Okay.
4070. I got a whole nice little video of this. Dude, first pass 954? I just grabbed Mikey's phone to open the log and send it, and the map that he named it was kill but don't grenade. Mikey,
It's my own car.
you didn't even know it. I was playing around. I'm like, there's gonna be holes in the block, but Mikey actually named it don't grenade. Well. Look who decided to show up. Damn, son. Woo. Damn. Oh, you got some pink bling bling,
I
bro.
went to a fucking car show with a buddy of mine shop, and it was a Honda show, and somebody stole all my fucking racing hard.
Look at that, bro. Hey, is that from a BMW?
Was that?
Is that from a BMW?
That's 8 HP.
Dang, son. 8 HP what?
70 with a pure stage 3.
Dang, son. Pure in everything. Pure the world. This guy got an extra turbo in the backseat. This is nice, bro. This is super nice. Bro, this thing is gorgeous.
Thank you.
I love this. If y'all didn't know, this is Jake from Motive. What's up, buddy? Let's see under the hood of this thing. Bro, this looks so good.
What's up?
Oh, I don't want you to. Oh, man.
Sure.
Mikey loves fingering it.
I still need, it's this dead center. I still need to powder coat the inside.
Oh, yeah. She's a beauty. This thing is nice.
It's so clean under here.
So gorgeous, bro.
Why can't BMW engine base like it is?
Well, they could if you do standalones and get rid of all the crappy harnesses that we have. Oh, me! So I literally just did a second pass. This time we got a video of it because the first one we didn't get a video of it, and it ran identical time. Identical to the T.
The difference is about 600 DA. So we're in 400 DA in the first pass, 1,000 on the next pass. So we lost a half mile an hour.
I did slightly better 60 foot,
Yeah.
but everything else it is literally identical. So that's all it is. It's all she wrote for us today. She runs great, phenomenal. You guys can see the times difference. Same day, same time. 8 de mayo. Literally 2 hours in between. So we let the car cool off for 2 hours. We did literally nothing to the car. We just wanted to get a video of it.
Let's do
You guys can see.
Let's do a complete
Metal. Wipers. Wiper motors. Ooh, let me go under here. Metal brace is still in there. Factory brakes.
factory wheels off of a 9.
Yeah, well, the car's locked. Factory exhaust. It's the M4 CS exhaust, but it don't matter. The car went Mikey's M4. We took off the exhaust, and we're like, you know what? Let's just use it because they're cooler. Because you could say they're CS.
Comfort seats, baby.
Full, not even carbon buckets. Literally, wait, no meth. I can't fit my finger in here. Mikey, you got smaller fingers.
Do I really? No, maybe I do.
Nothing, no meth, no pumps, nothing, no wiring, nothing. She is 100% bone stock as you buy it. Mikey, you're happy?
I'm very happy.
It's a time work car, bro. 954 every single pass.
We gotta.
That's my zip code, by the way. No, it's my area code for my phone. Area code.
We gotta find 0 DA and try to go for a 49. Actually, I don't want to break. It's the freaking daily. We'll break the M4.
It's the daily. This is legit Mikey's car that he drives every single day to and from work to go pick me up from the airport. Everything. We got some drag racing semi trucks here, which is
Oh, it's another one.
Another
we haven't
one.
seen that one go yet.
this is badass. That is pretty slick. It's long too. That's what she said. But yeah, full weight. Only thing is just tires. That is it, guys. Simple car that runs 9.5s.
Showed under the hood.
Yep, literally.
The reason why
No reflex. There's no port, because people can say, "Oh, there's port injection." Nothing. It literally has just the flex fuel sensor. That is it.
And also, I think we would actually go faster with front mount intakes. On a dyno, it doesn't make any difference in power, but up top at 130, 140 miles an hour, we've always gone really fast and had the best result from front mount intakes. This is my daily. I wanted everything to be nice, matte carbon fiber.
So that's it, guys.
No front mount intakes. I think we go a little faster, less DA front mount intakes, but I'm not going to do it.
That's it. That's all she wrote. Thank you, guys. Now on the way back home to Connecticut, and me back home to Florida. So
yeah.
that is it. One and done. Well, two and done.
Two and done.
Well, technically it was one and done. We went faster on the first run.
Yes, we did.
So one and done. But thank you, guys. Thank you, Daryl, for supporting us always.
Come on, man.
What? Thank you, Daryl, for
Until next time.
until next time. Just a clarification. I love you, Daryl. You're always our #1 supporter. You know this. Thank you very much. We love you. What? It's true. He is our #1 supporter. Either way, thank you, guys. Catch you in the next one.